Welcome to a new age of affiliate marketing with ChatGPT in 2024. Today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, a transformative tool developed by OpenAI that's making waves in the affiliate marketing industry. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Imagine an AI that can generate human-like conversations and texts. It's not just about simulating conversation, it's about understanding context, nuances, and delivering meaningful responses. ChatGPT is like your personal AI assistant, capable of holding detailed dialogues, answering queries, and even offering personalized product recommendations. Now you might be wondering, how does this tie into affiliate marketing? Well, it's simple. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products and services to potential customers in a personalized manner. And ChatGPT excels in this. It can handle the repetitive tasks of product recommendation, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and growth. But it's not just about automating tasks, it's about enhancing customer experiences. With ChatGPT, each customer interaction becomes a personalized experience. It can tailor product suggestions based on user preferences, making each recommendation unique and relevant. This not only increases customer engagement, but also boosts conversion rates. In this digital age, embracing AI is no longer optional, it's a necessity. And with tools like ChatGPT, businesses can leverage AI to create unparalleled customer experiences and drive growth. Now that we know what ChatGPT is and how it's revolutionizing affiliate marketing, let's delve into how you can use it for your affiliate marketing strategies. Setting up ChatGPT for your affiliate marketing needs is a simple process. Now let's dive right into the steps to get you started. Firstly, you'll need to acquire ChatGPT. It's an AI tool developed by OpenAI, known for its ability to generate human-like conversations and texts. You can get it directly from the OpenAI website, and remember, this is a powerful tool that can revolutionize your affiliate marketing strategies. Once you've got ChatGPT in your digital toolbox, it's time to integrate it into your marketing platform. Whether you're using a website, social media, or email marketing, ChatGPT can be incorporated seamlessly. Just follow the guidelines provided by OpenAI, and you'll have it up and running in no time. Now let's talk customization. This is where you can really make ChatGPT work for you. The AI tool can be tailored to your specific needs, helping you to deliver personalized customer experiences. Want to offer unique product recommendations? No problem. Need to answer frequently asked questions? ChatGPT has got you covered. You can even set it up to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Remember, the goal here is to enhance customer engagement and increase conversion rates. By setting up ChatGPT to handle customer interactions, you're providing a personalized touch that can make a real difference in your affiliate marketing efforts. With ChatGPT set up and ready to go, you're one step closer to enhancing your affiliate marketing efforts. So, let's move forward and explore how you can use ChatGPT for product recommendations in our next scene. Stay tuned. Now, let's explore how ChatGPT can revolutionize your product recommendation process. Imagine a world where every product recommendation you make is specifically tailored to the unique needs and preferences of each individual customer. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with ChatGPT, this dream can become a reality. ChatGPT is capable of analyzing a wealth of customer data, from past purchases to browsing habits and even the subtle nuances of their conversations. It can then use this information to provide personalized product recommendations that hit the bullseye every time. This isn't just a shot in the dark based on generic customer profiles, it's a precisely aimed arrow based on deep, individualized insights. But the magic doesn't stop there. ChatGPT doesn't just throw a list of products at the customer and hope for the best. Instead, it engages in a two-way conversation, asking probing questions and refining its recommendations based on the responses. It's like having a personal shopper who knows the customer's tastes inside out. Now, let's talk numbers. Personalized product recommendations can have a profound impact on your conversion rates. Remember, customers are more likely to buy when they feel understood and catered to. By tailoring your recommendations to each individual, you're not just showing them products, you're showing them solutions to their needs and desires. And this can translate into a significant increase in sales. Moreover, personalized product recommendations can enhance customer satisfaction. When customers feel understood and valued, they're more likely to stick around, they're more likely to become repeat customers, and they're more likely to spread the word about your products. In other words, ChatGPT can help you turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. As you can see, ChatGPT can be a game changer when it comes to providing personalized product recommendations. ChatGPT is not only about product recommendations, it can also significantly improve customer engagement and troubleshooting. Let's delve deeper into how ChatGPT can revolutionize customer interactions. Picture this: a customer has a question about a product. Instead of waiting for a human representative to be available, they can immediately converse with ChatGPT. This AI tool can respond to queries in a human-like manner, providing accurate and helpful information. It's like having a knowledgeable salesperson available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also handle troubleshooting. If a customer encounters an issue, ChatGPT can guide them through the steps to resolve it. This immediate response not only solves problems faster, but also reduces customer frustration, enhancing their overall experience. Now consider the impact on customer engagement. With its capacity to interact in a personalized and responsive manner, ChatGPT can foster a more engaging relationship with customers. It can answer questions, provide recommendations, and troubleshoot issues in real time, adding a dynamic element to customer interactions. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, which are key components of successful affiliate marketing. Moreover, using ChatGPT for customer engagement and troubleshooting can free up human resources. Instead of answering repetitive queries or dealing with common issues, your team can focus on more complex tasks, making your operation more efficient. In essence, ChatGPT is like having a tireless, versatile assistant that can handle customer interactions with ease. It can transform the way you engage with customers, creating a more responsive and personalized experience. With ChatGPT, customer engagement and troubleshooting become more efficient and effective. As we've seen, ChatGPT is a transformative tool in affiliate marketing. This artificial intelligence powerhouse, developed by OpenAI, is reshaping the affiliate marketing landscape with its ability to generate human-like conversations and texts. But it's not just about the technology, it's about how you can leverage this tool to amplify your marketing efforts and drive customer engagement to new heights. If we take a moment to reflect on what we've covered, it becomes clear just how pivotal ChatGPT can be. Firstly, setting up ChatGPT for affiliate marketing is a breeze. It's designed to be user-friendly and versatile, seamlessly integrating into your existing marketing strategies. This means it's not just about adopting a new tool, but about enhancing your current operations with the power of AI. Secondly, ChatGPT's capabilities for product recommendations are second to none. It's like having a personal shopping assistant for each customer, providing personalized recommendations that cater to their unique needs and preferences. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also drives up conversion rates, translating into increased revenues for your business. Then there's the customer engagement and troubleshooting aspect. ChatGPT can handle the repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic initiatives. Plus, it offers a level of personalization that's hard to match, delivering a customer experience that's engaging and satisfying. But perhaps the most exciting part is that this is just the beginning. The transformative potential of ChatGPT and AI in general is vast. We're standing at the cusp of a new era in affiliate marketing, one that's set to be shaped by unparalleled customer experiences and business growth. So, are you ready to embrace this change? Are you ready to leverage the power of ChatGPT and take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level? We believe it's time to seize this opportunity and shape the future of your business. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. Please share in the comments below.